Hello guys, today we will discuss about how to make a GTK theme. Basically it is GTK 3 plus theme. So first we will look into custom theme. So we'll go to home, then we'll go to themes folder, then let's check out the sweet dark theme. So we'll get into dark theme. Then we can see so many folders here, directories here, and some documents like the license and the readme. So first we will check the index.theme. In here we can see the desktop entry and the GNOME meta theme, genome meta theme. Yeah, so we can see the name is there, and a comment is there. We can also write comment in different languages, like comment English or something, EN. And after that we have GTK 3.0 here. In this directory we can see we have two files, gtk.css and gtk.css. So this is how custom theme looks like in GTK3, and it only have the CSS file. In GTK2 we can see we have the RC files and also the apps definitions here. So we also have the shell theme here. This is a CSS file to style the shell. It is my custom shell. I have designed it like that. So this is how a custom theme looks like. So let's see how we are going to actually implement it, right? So let's go to computer, user, share, then we will see a theme folder here. It's here. Then we can see the themes which comes with the PopOS, as I am using PopOS. If I may show you. So let's dive into the pop theme, which comes with, default with the distro. So we can see that here we have only 3 directories and theme index. So if we go into the GTK3 folder, we can see that we have a GTK resource, G resource, and a GTK CSS file. But here, if we open the GTK CSS file, we will see only an import of this URL, but it doesn't mean anything. So if you can see here, like if we go to dot themes again and sweet dark GTK 3.0 gtk.css, we can see all the entries here, how the style sheet have made, how the developers have made it. These are the app notifications. This is the base status. It will change the color of settings and stuff. Like if the color is, I don't know, maybe black or something, we can change it to white, then the setting might change. Sorry for that. So how do we actually work with this? We cannot actually work with a custom theme. It is a well-known theme, that's why we have all the comments here, like base status and everything. So it is easy to work with themes which already mention stuff like base status. We might have we have the buttons here, calendars and stuff, but not every theme is going to have all the comments to let you know from where button comments are starting and from where we are actually working with system background and stuff. So for that we are going to use a native, or what can you say, like a trusted theme which comes with the distro, like here we can say the pop, which came with the distro. But here we don't have anything in the GTK CSS file, neither we have anything on the GTK dark, only an import URL. So how we are going to get the resources to actually work with it? So first we will just take the resources up in here, we'll copy it, let's copy it to somewhere else. Let's go to theming, gtk3 themes. Let's make a folder here. Let's say pop. Let's go to pop, then we'll paste our resources here. Now we will fire up a terminal here. There is actually a command related to this. I might have it in my .rc bash rc. Let's check it out. Actually, I don't think I have it in my bash rc. So it goes like gresource, gresource extract, then gtk gresource, the file name, and then we have to enter the what can you say? We have to enter the import file of that CSS. We can get it from here. We can get it from here. Go there. JSON user share dot themes. You can see it here. Let's go to pop, then gtk3 gtk.css. Then we will copy the URL which we are going to get from that gresource, and so we are going to go to the gresource terminal here, and we will just paste the URL here, and we'll just enter. No, we won't enter right now. We need to have the CSS file in a file, so we'll te to gtk.css. So it will show us what are the resources, what are the things which are mentioned in gtk.css of pop theme. Then it will also write it to the gtk.css file. As you can see, we have so many definitions here, so we will not read it from here. We have everything in this file which we have just created. So we'll just go here, and you can see everything is mentioned in detail. You can see check and radio buttons. You can see the base status. You can also see everything mentioned in a proper manner, so we can work with this theme. So if we go like if we take this CSS file and let's make a temporary theme up in here. Let's make a folder. Let's say it temp. Then we'll get into temp and paste the CSS file. We will only paste the CSS file, not any resources right now. Let's see if this works or not. So we'll go to GNOME tweak tool. Then we will change the application theme, that is temp. So I think we should have temp up in here. Let me refire it. Appearance, and we actually don't have temp in here. We should be having temp. So okay, gtk is lagging or something. So temp is here. Okay, we need to put it in gtk 3.0 as we are theming on gtk 3.0. So there will be gtk 3.0 directory, and we need to put the gtk css in that directory. Now it should show. Let me refire it. Should show. it is still not showing. Let's check my, yeah, it is right. Okay, I missed sign in here. gtk. We have to mention everything in order, so like we cannot miss any signs up in here. You need to make that folder with this name only if you are theming on gtk3. So it is like that, and then we will refire that tweak tool, go to appearance, and we should see temp. So if we enable the temp, we can see we are having the actual pop theme in here. So the resource has been decompiled successfully, and we can now work with the theme. So we're just going to go to our folder where we have decompiled it. This is Sourav, mystuff, theming, gtk3, and themes, pop, gtk3. Now we have all the resources. Now we also need the assets of this CSS file. So for that we are going to search for assets, Control F, assets, and I'm using gedit. You guys can also use Vim, Nano, whichever you like. So we also need to decompile these assets from that G resource file. So how we are going to do that? For that we will again fire up our terminal. I think I have fired one up. This one, I guess. Well, the theme is messed up. Let me change the theme. Let's go to gtk compact. Now you can see the theme clearly. Yes, here we are. So now we are going to extract the assets. So let's see what are the assets we are going to extract. Let's go here again. So let's extract this this asset, like this SVG file, or let's go with this PNG file. So we'll copy this URL, then we are going to go here, and then we'll do that, and from here we are going to go for we are going to go extract, go to /org/ what did we have there, resource, yeah, PopOS themes 3.20. so we will copy that, and we will just paste it up in here, and we will write assets. We already copied it, I guess, from here. So we will extract this PNG file. For that we are going to fire up this terminal, and we need to again run the gresource extract command. After that we will just paste the URL, and we by this it will just show the binary, I guess. Yeah, it will show the binary of the PNG file. But to write this file, we are also going to use the TE command. So we will TE to check symbolic dot png. We will hit enter, and we shall have it in that folder. Yeah, we get the check PNG file. As you can see, we can also extract other. We can also extract other assets, like if we go for other assets. Let's go for this asset. Copy this command. Copy this location, and we'll again run that. We will again run that, and we will again TE to this file, image file. So we should be having yeah, I think we are having PNG. Yeah, so we have this PNG as well. You can extract every assets and everything from here, and after that you can start working with the CSS file. So every each of these symbols and assets are going to be in asset directory. So it will be like this, and we will put this in here, and there should be a shell theme. It will be in GNOME shell. We can extract that also. After for now we are going to work with the desktop environment, not the shell. That is this top panel. We are not going to work with this right now. So this is the CSS file. So if we go to base and we can see the background in here, you can copy the hex code, and if we fire up the Firefox, and if we go to hex color, then we can see what color is that. Like if we paste it in here, it should come. Yeah, it is that color. So if we change this color, like if we enable the theme first, let me enable it, temp, so it will look like this in settings. So if we see that the background color is F6, I think it's white, so let's go and verify it. Control V, yeah, it is white. So if we change the background color to like 040415, which is violet, I presume, and save it, then if we reload the theme, there should be a violet in here. Okay, so it didn't really change. Let's change something else. It's the backdrop. A backdrop means when your window is not in active mode. Like if we press like if we go window mode, then if you press this, get it, then that setting app will going to be in backdrop. So here also we can see it has mentioned the color. So base status, it should have changed with PFE, which is white, not actual white. Actual white is F always. All 6 of them will be F, RGB. Here you can see that the white color has changed up in here, and you can also change buttons, I guess. Control, yeah, buttons. We will see a button comment here. Let me search buttons. Yeah, we have buttons here. You can change anything of the buttons. Here you will see here we are seeing the notebook header tab arrow hover. That means this area, when we are hovering on it like this, not clicking anything. So we can change its color, we can change the outline of it. You can also border the color. You can also border the radius, I guess. Border radius. So let's go 3x, and we should see something up in here. The border actually didn't change. Okay, so we will work on this. We will check every detail of every comment, and we will go through every CSS file in the next video. So this is for now how we are going to extract the files from the G resource, and how we are going to extract the assets from the G resource. And for the next video, we are going to do some CSS stuff. We are going to check what goes where and how to actually style the whole theme, and how to make an actual theme, then recompile the theme and publish it. So this is for now. Have a safe day and goodbye.